Okay guys, today I'm going to be picking this lock here, which is a brass winkhouse. I'd like to say a massive thank you to Mr. Black Lion for this lock, which is working fine with the key. I'll just shake the bit in here on the key. It's a 5-pin. It's also got side pins, this one, although they're passive side pins. Okay, let's see if we can get it picked. And there we go, it's picked. Okay guys, well thanks for watching. Please do keep watching, so we'll be uploading some more videos soon. Please leave your comments and please rate the video. And once again, a massive thank you to Mr. Black Lion for the lock. I love it mate, and it will go very nicely in my collection. Okay, cheers guys.